Hey guys, I'm getting filming ready. I can't speak because I haven't done filming in ages. I just got back from the gym. Ash and I have done a big workout today. We are on it with the fitness. I put a face mask on, this new Sanctuary one I got because they're now selling Sanctuary in Superdrugs and I'm loving this one. I've tried it out, like this is my third time using it in the space of like 4 days. So I put it on with a brush and then I'm just about to jump in the shower and I'm going to wash it off. It has some particles in it so you can kind of scrub them off, which I love. New little filming setup today. This is our living room, so no dressing room diaries today. I'm still trying to figure out the filming location and situation in my dressing room because it's just not bright enough. It's really difficult to get the lighting right. I've got so much artificial lighting that even so, I'm not a big fan of artificial lighting, but it's just difficult at the moment because my dressing room is quite small and then I don't have a lot of natural lighting, so it's just complicated getting the lighting right in there. But the lighting here is perfect because I have a big window in front of me, lots of light right now. It's summer, it's bright, it's hot, it's perfect for filming, so I'm back. Just say hi. People like it when you come and say hi.
How am I going to get in there?
I'll move over so it's all yours.
Hi guys, it's been a long time, but we're back.
We're back.
And today I'm filming a dressing room diary makeup tutorial, and I've got lots of new Sanctuary scrubs and I've been using this really nice Kiehl's amino acid shampoo lately. And
you've been using my shampoo again?
No.
Everything I buy.
And the Nip Fab is just fabulous, darling. Okay,
Ash,
that's my cameo appearance done.
you always mimic me. Mock me. Alright, so I'm going to have a shower, then I'm going to be back to film my everyday makeup look in this hot summer weather, and it has definitely had to change a little bit because it's just so hot outside. I've never had to deal with such heat on a consistent basis for an office, so I've got my kind of makeup look down of, you know, what I'm kind of enjoying at the moment. So I'll be back.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hey guys, so I've just had my shower and I'm back. I brought down the face mask that I was talking about before. It's the Sanctuary Spa Diamond Dust Refining Scrub Mask, a bit of a mouthful. It actually matches my outfit. I look like I'm going to the beach for some reason, but it's just so hot here that I'm just trying to wear like really lightweight, flowy kind of clothes. Anyway, so first I think I need to tell you guys where I've been because I owe you that. I've been gone off YouTube for a few months now and I've been getting lovely messages on Instagram asking where I am, and I really appreciate all of your messages and I read them, and I'm sorry that I don't always reply. That is because I'm just being really honest and frank, is that I just lost my confidence with YouTube and filming and watching myself and editing and not being able to get it perfect. And I feel like YouTube is so different now. When I started in 2011, many years ago, like 7 years ago I started, it was so different. It was just a different kind of place. You just switch a camera on, you'd film a makeup tutorial, you'd show things. It was just fun and it was easier and it wasn't as advanced as it is now, if you like. And I think because this is not my full-time job and this is just something I do as a hobby, I feel like YouTube has moved on much quicker than I've moved on, and I think people now are creating productions of such high, amazing, you know, they're almost like they could be TV adverts or movies, and the content is absolutely amazing. And I feel like sometimes I'll film something and I'm like, it's not good enough, or you know, it's not, the makeup's not on point, or the clothes don't look very good. And sometimes things can look really good when in real life, but just the camera isn't capturing, you know, maybe how I've done the makeup or how I've put the outfit together or what I'm trying to show you. And I think I lost my confidence with filming. I felt like maybe the enjoyment had gone. That was kind of the main factor. And the other reason was I do have a full-time job, so I am a marketing manager. As a lot of you know, I organise events, I travel a lot. I've been to, I think, something like 5 or 6 countries in the last 3 months, whether it's for a day just to do a site visit, or it's for a whole week to go to an experience marketing conference or an off-site in New York, or I've been all over the place. So actually being consistent with filming has been pretty difficult for me as well. So I'm just really sorry that, you know, and you know, we're all, you know, it's just difficult when you are full-time job and trying to YouTube, and then your confidence is a little bit low. And I've been going to the gym loads, so that side of me has been really productive and I've really enjoyed that, and that's kind of kept my spirits high and my morale high, and the weather in the UK right now is so hot, which is making me feel like just great. It's really positive, and I think it's rejuvenated me a little bit, so hence why I'm back on the tube today. And that's it. That's just the honest part of it. I just lost my confidence and been busy, and I think a combination of those things. And sometimes I feel like, can I relate to my audience? I'm 36 years old. Am I making content that's even interesting for you guys? And these are all the things that just like demons that creep into your mind, and then you just kind of think, what am I doing? Should I bother? Should I not? Does anyone even care? You know, and my subscribers aren't growing, my views aren't very good. And then I know there's some of you guys out there that watch all my videos, and I love you for it. I love you guys. You are the most supportive people, like amazing. Thank you. And I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I see your comments, I see your messages, and I know that you guys care. And that's who I'm making this for, ultimately. Like, I mean, you know, it's never been necessarily about becoming a huge brand on YouTube or having a huge channel, because I enjoy what I do day to day in my job. However, sometimes when you don't see growth in something, it can be a little bit disheartening, because generally, like, you know, you want to be good at things you do. So but yeah, that's it. So anyway, less of the chit chat now. I'm gonna get into a bit of a makeup tutorial, my everyday makeup tutorial. Oh my god, my arms are starting to look a little bit big. So right now I'm going to get into a bit of a makeup tutorial and show you what I've been loving, what I've been using. And you might notice that some of these products are new. I've bought lots of new makeup over the last few months. I might have not been on the tube, but I've been shopping. That's one thing I'm definitely good at. So I bought a few new things, and I'll show you them, you know, as we go along. Right guys, let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to be looking a little bit this way because I have a mirror just there. So I'm sorry if I'm not making perfect eye contact with you guys. I'll do my best. So the first product I'm going to start with is this Bobbi Brown primer, the vitamin enriched base. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. I've definitely been putting like less moisturizer and less primer on my face because it's just so hot. I mean, I want my skin to be moisturized, but I just don't want to be, you know, too greasy. The next product's also a new one. It's the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator, this little pumpy kind of bottle. I didn't even know that Kiehl's did makeup until I saw someone using that product on their channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tiny bit of the Fenty foundation, and this is in the colour 320. I love it. I mean, at the moment it's a tiny bit light for me because of the suntan I've been getting. I'm just walking around in the UK. Just when I walk around, I've been just, you know, getting a lot of tan on my face. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit on. And when I say tiny, I mean really tiny. And it's just on the lower part of my face where I find I've got that slight bit of discoloration. And I'm just going to use this sponge to work it in. So another new product I have is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is really nice. The colour that I have is medium to dark warm. And I'm just going to dot a little bit of this on. Again, not too much. Sides of my nose and under my eyes. And maybe just a tiny bit there. I'm going to use one more liquid product before I'm going to go into using my powder products, but this is going to be one of my new favourite products, and it's the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the colour Fantasy, and it's like a rose gold, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. It looks something like this, and I'm just going to sort of stipple that on, and I'm going to use I'm going to put it on in cheekbones. Absolutely beautiful. It is just, oh, it's just one of the nicest products. A little bit over the eyebrows. I'm just going to look in my close-up mirror to make sure that I've worked it all into the skin. So I'm just going to put some of my Tom Ford bronzer on. I'm going to use the mirror it comes with, which is ideal. Going to grab my Hoola bronzer, which is a little bit darker, and just contour my nose with that. I do like to contour my nose. I'm slightly self-conscious about my nose, so I always tend to contour it. I'm going to use a tiny bit of blush, and I'm going to use the Coralista by Benefit, an oldie but a goodie. And I'm just going to smile and put a little bit on my cheekbones. Get a bit of that flush holiday look. Now onto my crazy brows, which are always going all over the place. I'm just going to use this Benefit brow gel and just work them through. I quite like them sticking up a little bit nowadays, so I don't tend to bring them down too much, just work the product in. Now I'm going to use my Urban Decay eyelash curler and just curl my lashes a little bit. I'm actually not going to use mascara, I'm just going to curl them so they open up a little bit and make my eyes look wider and a bit more awake, because I don't really want kind of too much eye makeup or anything on today, and I feel like every day I don't tend to wear a lot of eye makeup. I do sometimes wear mascara, but I just don't fancy it today. Now I'm going to use my favourite powder, loose powder, which is the Revolution baking powder in like a peachy kind of colour, which I absolutely love. And this is the step that I've been doing the most recently, because where it is really hot and the makeup does get a bit sweaty and, you know, wants to move all over the place, this is kind of helping it staying in place. So just using my sponge, just carve out the cheekbones. Last thing, just a bit of lip gloss, and I have got two new favourites and I really wanted to share them with you because they are seriously some amazing nudes. It's the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration, and these two lip glosses I am absolutely loving. So the colours are Malibu and Beach Bum. So I'm going to use Malibu today, which is the more pinky one, but Beach Bum is the more nude one, which I've been using a lot as well. So and I'm going to use that with my Rimmel chocolatey, nope, caffeine cappuccino lip pencil. Put that on, and then I'm going to stick this on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my comeback video, and I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm definitely going to be back on it, making lots of regular content for you guys, so definitely keep looking back for my channel so you don't miss out when I post. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Take care, bye.